lovely students. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and safe at home. I am the nursery teacher Ms. Iftikhar from the Smart School, Gulistan-e-Jawhar campus and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses, and I am here to teach you today English. I will tell you how many sounds we have learned, and I will tell you a new sound today. Are you all ready? Okay, well done. Okay students, are you all ready for the reinforcement? We are going to start reinforcement of all the previous sounds we have done with the rhyme. Okay, let's start. Look at here. All these sounds we have already done before. Let's start with this one. Can you tell me which sound is this? This is sound A. Sound A. Apple. Apple. Okay, now let's trace it. Make a curve, go up, come down and make a tick. Make a curve, go up, come down and make a tick. This is sound A. Apple. Well done. Okay, next one. Which sound is this? This is sound B. B. What comes with the sound B? Ball. Butterfly. And how can we write sound B? Come down and down. Go up and make a round. This is sound B. Come down and down. Go up and make a round. This is sound B. Ball. Very good. Let's come with this sound. This is sound. Which sound is this? This is sound K. Sound K. And what object will come with sound K? Car. Yes. Car. And how can we write sound K? Let's do with me. K is curvy K. K is curvy K. K is curvy K. This is sound K. Car. Well done. Let's come with the next one. Okay kids, which sound is this? Can you tell me? This is sound D. Yes, well done. This is sound D. What comes with the sound D? Drum. Well done. Okay, let's trace sound D. Make a curve, go up, come down and make a tick. Well done. Make a curve, go up, come down and make a tick. This is sound D. Drum. Well done. Okay now, which sound we have here? Which sound is this? This is sound A. This is sound A. This is sound A. And. This is and. Okay, let's trace it. Make an eye and make a curve. Make an eye and make a curve. And. Let's repeat. Apple. Ball. Car. Drum. Well done kids. Okay, now we are going to start a new sound now. I will tell you, I have a new sound for you. Can you see how it is look like? This is sound. This is sound. And the capital is F. This is sound. And the capital is F. Is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. If you are having some old man or woman in your house, you can see the stick they are holding and they are walking with the stick. So it is like a stick from here, like a stick and come down. It is like an holding a stick. Let's trace it. Is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. Okay, now we have some vocabulary here. What is this? Fish. Yes, this is a fish. And what is this? Flower. What is this? Flower. Well done. What is this? Fountain. Fountain. Fish, flower and fountain. And what are the beginning sound of these? What is the beginning sound of all these objects? Fish, flower, fountain. Very good. Now I will show you how we can write sound in between these four lines. Now come closer and watch me very carefully. This is your starting point. What you have to do, you have to make like a round and come down. And make a straight line. This is sound. Again, make a round, come down and make a straight line. This is sound. Make a round, come down and make a straight line. Make a round, come down and make a straight line. Well done. This is sound. So we learned a new sound which is called sound and the letter is F. The sound is and the letter is F. Well done, kids. Now I hope you learned a new sound. You have to do in your copy and in your workbook.
Okay students, as we already done the introduction of this sound, let's do sandpaper tracing of this sound. Can you tell me which sound is this? Yes, this is sound F. This is sound F. Let's trace this sound with our two fingers. F is like holding a stick. F is like holding a stick. F is like holding a stick. We make round, come down and make a straight line. This is sound F and this is a sandpaper of sound F. Let's do it once again. Make a curve, come down and make a cross line. F is like holding a stick. F is like holding a stick. Very good. Okay students, it's time to do your workbook. On page number 13 and 14, you have to do your homework. On page number 13, what you have to do, you have to trace this hollow sound. Which sound is this, kids? This is sound F. And what is the capital of sound F? F. Very good. You have to trace this hollow sound. This is sound F and this is the vocabulary of sound F. Fruits, fan, frog. You have to color in these pictures. On page number 14, this is a flag. Flag. What you have to do, you have to write in between these four lines and write it very carefully, like here, starting from the first line and ending on the third line. So you have to write it very carefully with proper formation like it is given in a book. Well done. F is like holding a stick. Make a round, come down and make a straight line. Well done, kids. This is your homework from book. Copy like this. You have to write in your copy with proper formation. And in the end, let's sing a ABC song together. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, would Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye, kids.
In next video, till then you have to take care of yourself.